Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in today's video we are going to do this beautiful flowers and leaves. And for this I have taken A5 size watercolor book, and before drawing this I have taped my paper so that it will have a beautiful framing look. And before coloring I'm just drawing different types of flowers and leaves with a pencil, and you can just draw an n number of flowers and see that you'll not have much gap in between them, and just draw them. You can just draw any kinds of flowers. There are n number of flowers and n number of leaves, so you can just do all the patterns and just give a beautiful colorful look for this paper. Okay, and this can be used for greeting cards, or you can even frame it and keep it and use it as a wall hanging. So now I have finished all the frame outline work, and now we are going to start coloring. So before coloring, just remove all the pigment pencil pigment with a double eraser and start coloring. Like I'm using 36 shades of watercolors, so I have number of shades, and I just want to use maximum number of colors in these flowers. So just don't hesitate to use any different colors. You can just experiment with all the colors you have in the palette and give different shapes, different shades. You can even use a layering technique in this, but here I didn't use any layering technique. For one or two flowers I have used the layering technique. Rest and all I have painted directly from the color itself, and I'm using very bright colors, bright and vibrant colors for this project. So once we finish the flowers, now it's the turn for leaves, coloring leaves. So for this I have taken the very thin brush, and I just painted first all the stems and then the leaves. So these leaves are also of various types. You can just use any shape of the leaf, and you can just put all varieties of leaves in this illustration. So I hope you will like this video and you will enjoy drawing, and I want you all to practice this. If at all this is helpful, please give a like and do subscribe the channel if at all you're watching for the first time. So enjoy drawing and keep on painting. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. And before ending the session, please watch until end, because you will have that framed look of this complete illustration. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care. Happy drawing.